joining me here in the attic, so pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today we're going to up our game a little bit with how you present gift cards for Christmas or any occasion. This is my design team project for the Paper Bee Creative. I will have the link in the description box where you can find her Etsy shop. And the kit I'll be using today is Holly Jolly. It is part of her Christmas bundle kit, or it can be purchased on its own. I did not print out the entire kit. I just printed bits and pieces from the kit that I'll be using to create the gift card holders. I'll just show you a little bit of what's in this kit that I'll be using. There are beautiful designs that are perfect for Christmas. And I'm going to show several options of how to create a gift card holder. For our first option for our gift card holder, I've cut out the coin envelope, one of the embellishments in the ephemera part of the kit. I've also cut a strip out of the background paper that is 1.5 by 8, and I scored it at 4 inches so that I could fold that in half. I went ahead and scored the coin envelope to be folded and for the tabs to be glued. And I also punched out of some of the ephemera some 1.5 inch circles that I'm going to use as a tab for the gift card holder. I'm going to go ahead and fold all the score lines and burnish those. Then your coin envelope will look like that. So that I don't have a white background here, I'm going to ink up the inside of this just a little bit with just a blending tool. This is totally optional. And I'm also going to go ahead and ink all my edges. Again, this is an optional step. If you want this to be a quick little project, all you got to do is cut out your ephemera. You do not have to do the inking. And to glue it together, I'm going to use my ATG tape runner, but you can use wet glue here. You could use glue stick, whatever you want to use for your adhesive. The tape runner to me is just really fast. So now we've got our envelope that our card fits in. And you could just leave it like that, but it's a little hard to get the card in and out at that point. So this is why I created this little strip. I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And I'm going to run a little bit of the ATG tape right across the top. And this will make the perfect size to put your little card in, to hold it like that, and then the card will fit into the card holder, and it'll have a little tab that just gets pulled out. But to make this tab a little more decorative, this is why I cut out the little circles. And for this I will use wet glue. I'm using the Bearly Art Precision Craft Glue here. And I just line that up to make a little tab pull. And do the other one on the back. Then add a little bit of glue here. And we've got our little pull for the gift card. So that's option 1. Quick, simple, and easy. For our second card, we're going to be making this little folded card with a little belly band. And what I've done here is I've taken the cards that were in the ephemera section of the kit, cut that out. I did back it with a backing paper. I went ahead and scored it so it could be folded and inked the edges. And now what I'm going to do is put my pocket in. The pocket is a little big for this card, so I'm just going to trim this down. Place my pocket down, and I'll just mark where I want to cut that to be able to put that in the pocket. And just trim those edges. And I'm just going to round those corners. And ink up the edges. And then glue this in. And then put your pocket down inside your card. And now we're going to make the little belly band that's going to go around this. I'm going to go ahead and round my corners. And then to make the belly band, I just place my belly band around the card. And what I want it is I want it to come close to touching, but not quite touching, because I wanted it to be able to slide on and off. And then my embellishment that I'm going to glue on here is going to hide that seam. So what I do then is I'll put my circle down. Go ahead and put a little glue on my circle here. Place that down. And then glue this other side. And for this one, I'm going to add a little center embellishment with another smaller circle. And just glue that down. So there you've made your little belly band that'll slide on and off the card to keep the card closed. And then your gift card will slide right inside. So that's option 2. For the third and final option today, I'm going to be, instead of doing a gift card holder, I'm going to, in case you wanted to give cash, I'm going to show you how to make a money holder out of the envelope that is also in the ephemera part of the kit. So I cut the envelope out, and then I scored it at 3 and 4, folded that up, folded it this way to form my envelope. I'm going to ink these edges up. I'm using ground espresso here. You can use any color you wanted to. A green would be pretty. The red from the berries would be pretty. I wanted a little more vintage look, so I decided on the ground espresso. And you have a couple of options. Could have backed this with a paper. You could ink the inside here with a paper. I'm going to glue this in, trim it out so that this part is a color, some inking here. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And I'm going down a little further because I want to make a notch with my hole punch so that the money will be easy to come in and out. Okay. I want to go ahead and ink this edge, because when I glue this down, I won't be able to ink that edge up super well. So I'm going to go ahead and ink that edge. And I'm going to use a glue stick here. And I'm just going to run my glue stick all around this top flap of the envelope. And then lay this down and I'll trim the excess. I'm just going to burnish that in. Flip it over, burnish a little bit more. And then I'll take my scissors and trim around this excess. If you had printed a background paper on the other side of this envelope, this step would not be necessary. Again, it's just showing you options of different ways you can do things. Okay. And then I'll ink that up. And then here, I'm going to take my hole punch. And I want to punch kind of, not the whole circle, but enough that you can see the money when it's inside there, like that. And then I'm going to ink that up. I'm just going to glue the edges here. You could use wet glue here. You could use your tape runner. I normally just grab whatever I had handy and just burnish it down, give it a little bit of time. This Bearly Art Precision Craft Glue does not dry quite as fast as the Art Glitter Glue does, and so I'm still getting used to that because the Art Glitter Glue sticks pretty fast. So then your money will just be in like that. And you've got a little envelope, and if you would like to seal that, you could use a little glue dot. What I normally do is just put my glue dot where I want it to seal. Pull that off, and then your little envelope's sealed up for your recipient. And then if you wanted to add a little bit more embellishment, what you could do is you could ink this up and even pop this up with just a little bit of foam tape. And it'll give a little bit of dimension to your project. Let me grab that foam tape really quick. Apply the foam tape in several areas across the back of the card and attach it to the front of the envelope. And there you have it, 3 quick and simple, beginner-friendly ways to up your gift card or cash giving for Christmas gifts this season using just the ephemera from this digital kit. Again, the digital kit information will be down in the description box, or you could go over and grab this beautiful kit. Again, it is by the Paper Bee Creative, and it is called Holly Jolly. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.